In this video, I'm going to tell you the process of installing SQL Server 2014. To installing SQL Server 2014, so we have a few steps. First of all, open your setup file. MS SQL Server 2014 SP2. It is a 64-bit. So let us open this one. Now there is a green color setup file application 70 KB. Just run this setup file, run as administrator. Just wait for a moment. The setup file is loading the files. So now it is loading. Now in this window, we have to select installation. Now go to the installation, click here. Now after clicking the installation, just we have to select the first option, new SQL Server standalone installation. Now click on new SQL Server standalone installation.
Hello.
So just wait a moment, and the installation process is going on in the background. So you can minimize the window. Now in this product key window, so either you can select a free edition. So maybe this one will take evaluation version. So if you have any key, then you can enter the product key here. So I have a key here. So let me enter the product key. So let us copy the key. Just go for next. Now select license terms and everything. Click on next. Okay, so click on next. Just wait a moment. Here we have two warnings: computer domain controller and Windows firewall. So no need to worry about these two warnings. Just go for next. And we have to select SQL Server feature installation. Okay, the first option, first radio button. Click on next. Okay, in this feature selection window, uh, so here there are so many features are there. So if you want to install full version of your SQL, so you can select all the checkboxes. So click on select all button. So everything got selected here. Now, so move forward, clicking on next. So we have a default instance. Okay, just no need to change anything in this instance configuration window. Click on next. Okay, in this server configuration window, so there is a SQL Server analysis services. Everything got selected except this one. Now, uh, just click on the drop down, select the browse option. Here, just type system. click on check names. Okay, now click on OK button. Now go for next. Now in this window, so you can select Windows authentication mode, or else you can select mixed mode. So if it is mixed mode, you have to select like you have to enter the system password, your system password. So it will be very easy to remember, or else you can create your own password. The default account name is SA. So better to leave it as a Windows authentication mode. And here you can add current user. The current user is test server / administrator. If you click here, automatically it will take here. So this is the domain name and this is your current username, the administrator. Okay, go for next. So same, you can click on add current user. Same thing, go for next. So here, no need to change anything in this window, reporting services. Click on next. In this window, you can select distributed relay controller. You can select add current user. Same test server and add / administrator. Go for next. Okay, no need to change anything in this window also. Go for next. Checking rules and everything here. Now this is the final step to complete your SQL Server 2014 installation. Just click on install. That's it. So it will take at least 30 minutes of time, depends upon your configuration, RAM, processor and everything. Thank you.